Welcome aboard the beautiful Emily K, a 2001 Catalina 310, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Catalina 310, with her beautiful and graceful lines, showcase an impressive design that offers plenty of big boat performance and comfort in a compact package. The Catalina 310 is a great example of proven design in functionality and comfort. The swim platform and ladder are great touches that allow easy access to the boat. Side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit, and it is easy to walk around the stays to get forward and move around the deck. Moving forward, the clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the anchor chain locker and the Maxwell windlass. The Catalina 310 offers in-mast furling that is safe and easy to operate in a wide range of conditions. The cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor or sailing and can accommodate more than just a few friends. With primary winches close to the helm and control lines that lead back to the cockpit, this boat can easily be sailed single-handed. Behind the helm is plenty of seating and the space feels secure. An easily viewed chart plotter and instruments are mounted in the nav pod at the helm. The autopilot and engine controls are also easily viewed and accessed at the helm. The cockpit table is easy to set up, and there is plenty of room to move around the table in the up position. The companionway is wide and open, and accessing below deck is safe and comfortable. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior. The starboard side of the main salon has a settee and the galley. The salon port side has two tables. One is a large table for dining that stores in the aft cabin in a specially designed space. The other table is a smaller table with drink holders, and the seating converts to an extra berth. The efficient L-shaped galley has ample storage room for food and utensils and more than enough counter space to prepare meals. A microwave is mounted over the counter. The refrigerator is easily accessed from the countertop, along with the icebox and the front opening door for the refrigerator. Additionally, there is a 2-burner stove with an oven. The large owner's cabin is forward, with a queen centerline berth, and has large amounts of storage underneath the berth, along with storage lockers to each side. Aft, there is a sizable double berth with privacy curtains, which also serves as a seating for the navigation station. The large head with shower is located conveniently to the cockpit. The universal 3-cylinder engine and engine space is clean and has been well maintained. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, Emily K strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view this Catalina 310 Emily K, contact Little Yacht Sales.